Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to change the way we approach ear hygiene, the BEBIRD Home 30S Ear Care System. This device is an all-in-one solution for ear cleaning, combining a high-definition camera, UVC light, and a range of specialized tools to help you maintain healthy ears. Whether you're cleaning your own ears or helping out the whole family, this product aims to make the process safe, effective, and even a little high-tech. Let's start with an overview of the BEBIRD Home 30S. This ear care system is marketed as the world's first to feature a flexible scope and high-resolution camera, designed to give you an inside view of your ear canal like never before. The camera provides a real-time stream in full HD, allowing for a level of detail that typical ear cleaning tools simply can't match. One of its standout features is the UVC LED light, which automatically activates to disinfect the tip of the scope, ensuring 99.9% of any harmful bacteria or germs are eradicated in just 9 seconds. Along with this, it comes equipped with a visual eardrops dropper, a tool designed to precisely administer eardrops where needed, and over 30 attachments to tackle everything from soft earwax buildup to harder deposits. It's really a family-friendly solution, as it includes soft silicone tips for babies and ultra-gentle tools for sensitive ears. Now, how did this product perform in real-world testing? I've had the chance to try out the BEBIRD Home 30S over the past few weeks, and I have to say, it's certainly a unique experience. Setting it up was easy enough. Just charge it up, connect the camera to your phone via the app, and you're ready to start. The real-time video stream was impressive, offering crystal clear views of my ear canal, which made me feel confident about removing any buildup. The flexible scope is especially helpful for getting into those harder-to-reach spots. As for the UVC light, it's a nice touch, adding an extra layer of hygiene to the process. The eardrops dropper worked well too, allowing for precise application, though it took a little practice to get used to aiming it properly. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the BEBIRD Home 30S offers great innovation. The camera quality is excellent for such a small device, and the range of attachments means you can address different types of ear care needs, whether you're cleaning, scooping, or grabbing wax. The UVC light gives extra peace of mind, and it's easy to see how this could be a game changer for families with kids. The soft silicone tips for infants are a great addition, and the tool set overall is very versatile. On the flip side, the learning curve for using the eardrops dropper might be frustrating at first, and while the flexible scope is handy, it can be a little tricky to maneuver in really tight ear canals. Plus, although the product claims to work well for all ages, I did find that the system is best suited for adults or older children. Babies and younger children may still require extra caution when using it. As for value for money, this is a bit of a mixed bag. The BEBIRD Home 30S comes at a premium price, but considering all the features, especially the high-definition camera and the comprehensive tool set, it offers good value for those who want a more professional and hygienic approach to ear care. For families, it could be a one-stop solution for everyone's ear care needs, which might save you money on individual doctor visits. However, if you're just looking for a basic ear cleaner, you might find simpler, more affordable options that do the job without all the bells and whistles. In terms of comparison, there are other ear care systems out there, but few offer the same combination of features. Products like the Ototherm ear cleaner or simple earwax removal tools can handle basic cleaning, but they don't provide the level of visibility or the sanitizing benefits that the BEBIRD offers. For those who want high-tech options and aren't afraid to pay for them, the BEBIRD Home 30S stands out. Regarding build quality, this system feels solid. The materials used are durable, and the tools are crafted with care. It's not overly heavy, but it has a premium feel to it. As for longevity, I haven't been able to test it for an extended period, but based on its design and the company's reputation, it seems like a reliable product for the long run. I didn't have to contact customer support yet, but BEBIRD offers a 1-year warranty, which is a reassuring gesture. Given that the brand has been in development for 6 years and has professional recommendations, I'm confident in their commitment to quality. If you're looking for alternatives, There are some cheaper options, like basic manual earwax removers, but they lack the high-tech features and versatility of the BEBIRD Home 30S. If you don't mind a simpler approach, those might suffice. But for anyone wanting something more thorough and with a family-friendly design, the BEBIRD is worth considering. To sum it up, the BEBIRD Home 30S ear care system is a highly innovative and effective ear care solution that's perfect for tech-savvy families. It provides a safe, precise, and hygienic way to clean your ears, with features that go above and beyond traditional methods. However, it's not without its learning curve, and its premium price may not be justified for everyone. If you're in the market for a high-tech ear care system and are willing to invest in quality, this could be a great choice. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that other viewers can find this review too. Thank you for tuning into Beautyistic, and if you've tried this product or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and remember to keep your ear care on point. Only here on Beautyistic.